Hey everyone. So today I'm going to walk you through logging in Astronomer version 0.8. So new in this release is the addition of fluentd and Elasticsearch into our stack. This will allow us to bring logs in real time into our Orbit UI as well as a backend Kibana interface. So let's jump into Orbit and see how this looks from a user's perspective. So I'm going to jump into Orbit here. I'm part of two workspaces. Let's go into this Astro demo workspace and into this production. So new in this release is this logs tab up here. We're streaming logs directly into the UI from the scheduler, web server, and workers, as well as giving users the ability to search them as they flow in. Search for task. Previously, these logs were hidden from end users unless you had direct access to the Kubernetes cluster that Astronomer is running on. Now they're available to anybody using Astronomer, not just system admins. However, if you are a system admin, we also give you this Kibana interface that'll let you search for logs across all of the Airflow deployments running in your Astronomer installation. So you can search by different Airflow native indexes like DAG ID, execution date, log ID, as well as by the workspace and the Airflow environment they came from. So in here, I can search harvesting DAG. So these pop up in real time. And then into each document, I can see which component it came from, what environment it came from, as well as the workspace that they're originating in. In addition, this will give you the ability to build your own custom monitoring dashboards in Kibana. We're really excited about this release because we think that giving users direct access to their production logs will make debugging a lot easier. But from a backend side, it also sets a stage for some of the things we want to build down the road, like streaming these logs directly into our CLI and the Kubernetes and full support for the Kubernetes Executor. Yeah, so feel free to drop us a line if this is interesting to you at humans@astronomer.io and check the description for some other helpful links.